At the break of dawn, millions of tons of oyster shells lie forgotten along the coast, a silent testament to the heavy burden of industrial seafood waste. Once a source of life from the deep ocean, these discarded remains now sit as rugged, moss-covered debris, waiting for a second chance to become something beautiful. The journey begins as heavy machinery gathers these raw materials, moving mountains of waste that have long plagued our shores and delicate coastal ecosystems for years. Clouds of basalt and calcium rise into the air, signaling the start of a transformation where the forgotten is reclaimed and prepared for an artistic industrial rebirth. Each truckload carries the potential for innovation, yet turning environmental waste into a valuable resource that will eventually grace the walls of the world's most luxurious architectural spaces. We face a global challenge of massive waste, but within these piles of discarded shells lies the secret to a sustainable and incredibly stunning architectural future. Purification is the first essential step, as powerful jets of water strip away the grime of the sea, revealing the pure white calcium hidden beneath the surface. The rhythmic vibration of the conveyor belt ensures every shell is thoroughly cleaned, removing impurities to ensure the final product meets the highest standards of luxury quality. Size and quality are meticulously sorted as the shells bounce across mechanical sifters, preparing them for the intense processes that will soon redefine their various structural form. Now pristine and white, the shells enter the intense heat of the drying ovens, evaporating the last remnants of the ocean to prepare for the crushing phase. Listen to the sound of pure calcium, a sharp and hollow ring that echoes like fine porcelain, marking the completion of the initial cleaning and drying stage. Quality control is paramount as experts inspect the cleaned shells to ensure no organic residue remains, guaranteeing the durability and aesthetic perfection of the upcoming stone. This thorough cleansing marks the beginning of a miraculous rebirth, turning a dirty byproduct of the sea into a clean, refined material ready for creative destruction. The transformation intensifies as the shells meet the steel teeth of the industrial crusher, a powerful force designed to break down the old and create the new. In an explosion of force, the shells shatter into 1,000 fragments, releasing the inner luster of the nacre that has been hidden for years inside them. The material moves deeper into the mill, undergoing a secondary grind that further refines the fragments into smaller, more uniform pieces of high-density calcium carbonate material. What was once a solid shell is now a flowing stream of white powder, a versatile raw ingredient that forms the backbone of our sustainable architectural slabs. Mechanical power and heat work in tandem, grinding the minerals to a microscopic level where the natural strength of the oyster shell is fully and completely unlocked. The powder feels like silk, yet it contains the strength of the ocean, shimmering with tiny particles of pearl that will soon provide a unique visual depth. Under the light, the crushed material reveals its true beauty, glowing with an iridescent shimmer that no synthetic material could ever hope to replicate or truly mimic. Every batch is tested for consistency and grain size, ensuring that the final tile will have a perfectly smooth finish and a structurally sound, long-lasting internal core. To create something truly extraordinary, we must first break down the ordinary, turning raw waste into the refined building blocks of high-end, contemporary interior design masterpieces. This industrial symphony of crushing and grinding is the heart of the process, where the rugged ocean meets the precision of modern engineering and sustainable manufacturing technology. The refined powder is now ready for the alchemy of mixing, where it will be combined with high-tech binders to create a revolutionary new composite building material. We use eco-friendly biopolymers, a liquid bridge that binds the oyster particles together, ensuring the final product is as kind to the earth as it is beautiful. The mixing arm turns rhythmically, churning the heavy paste into a consistent blend that glows with a soft inner light from the crushed shell's natural pearlescence. This nacre mortar is the secret behind the tile's unique aesthetic, a dense and glossy mixture that carries the DNA of the ocean in every single drop. Carefully measured, the mixture is poured into heavy steel molds, taking the shape of the architectural slabs that will soon define luxury interiors around the world. Vibration removes any trapped air, ensuring a solid, flawless structure that is stronger than natural stone and resistant to the passage of time and heavy daily use. Our process is a perfect marriage of natural chemistry and advanced engineering, resulting in a sustainable material that sets a new standard for high-end architectural surface design. The mold now enters the heart of the factory, the massive hydraulic press, where immense force will forge the loose mixture into a rock-solid, high-density architectural slab. With calculated precision, the piston descends, applying hundreds of tons of pressure to compress the oyster particles into a bond that is nearly impossible to break apart. Every drop of excess moisture is forced out, leaving behind a hyper-dense material that possesses incredible durability, making it perfect for high-traffic luxury flooring and wall applications. At the peak of compression, the material is transformed. 300 tons of force have turned a soft paste into a dense, solid stone in mere seconds. As the press rises, the new slab is revealed, still raw but now possessing the formidable strength and heavy weight of a high-quality, engineered stone product. In this moment, we have compressed geological time into a few minutes, creating a material that combines ancient organic history with the cutting-edge requirements of modern construction. The raw slab now meets the diamond grinders, where the rough surface is systematically shaved away to reveal the hidden beauty of the oyster fragments buried deep within. Like magic, the dull surface begins to shine, exposing the intricate, marble-like patterns and the multicolored fragments of the oyster shells that create a unique visual texture. Hand finishing by skilled artisans ensures that every edge is perfect and every surface is flawlessly flat, blending industrial efficiency with the soul of traditional craftsmanship and artistry. The final result is a mirror-like finish that captures and plays with light, offering a level of sophistication and luxury that only a truly unique material can provide. Touch the surface of history and innovation. What was once waste is now a smooth, luxurious masterpiece, adding a sustainable soul to the world's most elegant spaces. From the depths of the ocean to the heights of luxury, the journey of the oyster shell is complete. A sustainable masterpiece for the future of our planet.